Unlock your financial freedom, the power of passive income. Imagine a life where your money works for you, even when you're not actively working. This is the essence of passive income, a powerful tool that can transform your financial future. Did you know that nearly 40% of millionaires have at least 3 streams of passive income? This isn't a coincidence. Diversifying your income sources is a proven strategy to build and sustain wealth over time. That's right. Building wealth isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. By leveraging passive income, you can create a steady flow of revenue that requires minimal effort to maintain, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in life. Passive income is the key to unlocking your financial freedom and creating a life where money works for you, not the other way around. Whether it's through investments, rental properties, or online businesses, the opportunities are endless. Imagine waking up to money in your account, earned while you were sleeping, traveling, or simply enjoying life. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality for many who have embraced the power of passive income. That's the power of passive income. It provides financial security and peace of mind, knowing that your financial future is not solely dependent on your active efforts. In this essay, we'll explore the world of passive income and how you can get started with just $1,000. We'll guide you through the initial steps, from choosing the right investment to managing your portfolio. We'll debunk common myths, uncover various income streams, and show you real-life examples of how ordinary people are achieving financial independence. You'll learn about the different types of passive income, including dividends, royalties, and affiliate marketing. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. By the end of this essay, you'll have a clear understanding of how to start building your passive income streams and take control of your financial destiny. The road to financial freedom is within your reach, and it starts with the power of passive income. Redefining wealth. Understanding passive income. Passive income is money earned regularly with minimal effort required to maintain it. Unlike your 9-to-5 job, where your income stops when you stop working, passive income continues to flow, even while you sleep. It's about creating assets that generate income without your constant involvement. This doesn't mean passive income is about getting rich quick. It requires an initial investment of time, money, or both. However, once established, it provides a steady stream of income that can supplement your primary earnings, accelerate your savings, and ultimately, lead to financial freedom. Breaking the chains, debunking the always working myth. Many people believe that making money requires constant hard work and long hours. This is simply not true. While hard work is essential, especially in the initial stages, passive income allows you to break free from the traditional time-for-money trap. Imagine building an online business that generates income while you're on vacation, or investing in real estate that provides monthly rental income. These are just a couple of examples of how passive income can help you escape the rat race and achieve financial independence on your own terms. Planting your seeds. Exploring passive income streams. There are numerous ways to generate passive income, each with its own set of advantages and risks. Here are a few popular options. Investments. Investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds can generate passive income through dividends or interest payments. Rental properties. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of monthly income. Online businesses. Creating and selling digital products, affiliate marketing, and blogging are just a few examples of online businesses that can generate passive income. The key is to choose an income stream that aligns with your interests, skills, and risk tolerance. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, examples, and potential returns. In this section, we will delve into the practical aspects of different income streams and the potential returns they can offer. Let's look at some specific examples and potential returns for each income stream. Understanding these examples can help you make informed decisions about where to allocate your resources. Investing $1,000 in a dividend-paying stock with a 5% annual yield could generate $50 in passive income per year. This might seem modest, but over time, with reinvestment and compound interest, your returns can grow significantly. While $1,000 might not be enough for a down payment on a property, you can explore REITs, real estate investment trusts, which allow you to invest in real estate with smaller amounts. REITs pool money from multiple investors to purchase and manage income-generating properties, offering you a share of the profits. Starting a blog or YouTube channel requires minimal upfront investment. With just a computer, internet connection, and a passion for your chosen topic, you can begin creating content that attracts an audience. With dedication and quality content, You can monetize your platform through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. The key is consistency and understanding your audience's needs and interests. Remember, these are just examples, and actual returns can vary depending on various factors. Market conditions, your level of expertise, and the amount of time and effort you invest all play crucial roles in determining your success. Diversifying your income streams can also help mitigate risks and increase your overall financial stability. To maximize your potential returns, it's essential to continuously educate yourself and stay updated with the latest trends and strategies in the financial world. Attend seminars, read books, and network with other investors to gain insights and share experiences. Setting clear financial goals and creating a detailed plan can also guide your investment decisions and help you stay focused on your objectives. Regularly reviewing your progress and adjusting your strategies as needed will keep you on track towards achieving your financial aspirations. Ultimately, the goal is to build a portfolio of income streams that provide you with financial security and the freedom to enjoy life on your terms. By understanding the potential returns and making informed decisions, you can reap the rewards of your investments and achieve long-term financial success. Section 6. From Small Seeds to Towering Trees, a $1,000 passive income success story. One of my viewers, Sarah, started a blog about sustainable living with just $1,000. She invested in a website domain, hosting, and some basic design templates. She consistently created high-quality content, sharing her knowledge and passion for eco-friendly living. Within a year, Sarah's blog gained a loyal following. She monetized her site through affiliate marketing, partnering with eco-friendly brands and earning a commission on each sale made through her unique referral links. Today, Sarah's blog generates a consistent passive income stream, allowing her to pursue her passion while making a positive impact on the planet. Section 7. Your journey to financial independence, benefits, and first steps. This section is designed to guide you through the initial stages of creating a passive income stream, which can be a game changer for your financial health and overall lifestyle. The beauty of passive income is that it offers numerous benefits. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your financial future is secure and you have the freedom to pursue your passions. Reduce your dependence on your 9-to-5 job and gain control over your financial future. This means no longer living paycheck to paycheck and having the ability to make choices that align with your personal and professional goals. Spend more time doing what you love with the people you care about. Whether it's hiking with friends, spending quality time with family, or simply enjoying a hobby, passive income can give you the time freedom you crave. Work from anywhere in the world, on your own schedule. Picture yourself working from a cozy coffee shop or a sunny beach without the constraints of a traditional office environment. Ready to start your passive income journey? The excitement of embarking on this path can be overwhelming, but with the right steps, you can set yourself up for success. Here are some initial steps. These foundational steps will help you identify the best passive income opportunities for you. 1. What are you passionate about? Identifying your passions can help you find a passive income stream that you will enjoy and be motivated to maintain. What skills do you have? Leveraging your existing skills can make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Whether it's coding, teaching, or any other skill, there's likely a way to monetize it passively. 1. Explore various options and choose one that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Research different passive income streams such as real estate, stocks, or online businesses, and find the one that suits you best. 1. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Many people think they need a large sum to start investing, but that's not true. Small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. Start with a small investment and gradually scale your efforts over time. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small, and keep track of your progress. This will keep you motivated and focused on your journey to financial independence. Section 8. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts and grow your wealth. Building passive income is a journey, and it's always better to share the experience with others. What are your thoughts on passive income? Which income streams resonate with you the most? Share your comments below. For more tips and strategies on building wealth and achieving financial freedom, be sure to subscribe to my channel and visit my website. Let's unlock your financial potential together.